Thief. In the rolling green highlands of Libialum, Cameroon, the heartbeat of the community isn't found in a chief's palace. It's in the courtyard, where children gather and learn. From the moment they can walk, children are folded into the community's rhythms. Not as spectators, but as active participants. Imagine the annual NFA festival. Drums echo, and the whole village stirs. 9-year-old Ankim and the other children are tasked with gathering palm fronds for decoration. The older kids teach the younger ones how to choose the best leaves and carry them safely. This isn't a chore. It's a lesson in skill, patience, and belonging. In Libialum culture, children learn by doing. They carry water, help with sit closest to the storytellers, memorizing the histories that hold their identity. They are proof that the community's future is already in motion. Because in Libialum, a child who feels valued grows into an adult who values others. Thanks for watching.